Across the world, beneath deserts, jungles, and mountains, the Earth continues to whisper the secrets of civilizations long forgotten. Every year, archaeologists uncover tombs that shake the foundations of history, places untouched by sunlight for thousands of years, filled with artifacts, inscriptions, and shapes that defy logic. These are not just graves, they are messages from the past, carved in stone, hidden in silence. In 2024, deep beneath the sands of Egypt's Saqqara necropolis, a team discovered a massive limestone tomb sealed so tightly that even air hadn't entered for 4,000 years. When opened, they found not one sarcophagus but three, stacked perfectly within each other, their interiors covered in writing that matched no known Egyptian language. Experts analyzed the script for months, and while some symbols resembled early hieroglyphs, others looked eerily similar to markings found in Sumerian ruins thousands of kilometers away. How could two ancient civilizations, separated by time and distance, share the same language of the dead? Among the items buried with the bodies was a small bronze orb engraved with geometric patterns, a design modern engineers recognized as mathematically advanced, far beyond what was believed possible for that era. Some researchers quietly admitted it seemed almost engineered, a hidden mystery buried beneath the sands. Meanwhile, on the opposite side of the world, deep in the Peruvian Andes, explorers uncovered a tomb inside a cliffside cave system long thought to be natural. But what they found inside was anything but ordinary. The chamber walls were smooth, polished to a mirror finish, and at its center lay a crystal sarcophagus emitting faint electromagnetic signals. The remains inside were unlike any known culture. The skeleton's proportions, elongated skull, and metallic fragments embedded in its bones challenged every known archaeological explanation. Scientists tried to analyze the metal, but found it contained elements not found on Earth. The discovery was quickly sealed, the cave closed under government order, and official reports dismissed it as misidentified minerals. But the footage leaked online, sparking debates about whether this was proof of contact with an unknown civilization or something even stranger, a sign of unexplained phenomena hidden in our planet's history. In Turkey, near the ancient site of Göbekli Tepe, excavations revealed a newly uncovered tomb structure that predated known human civilization by thousands of years. The burial chamber was covered in carvings depicting tall humanoid figures holding circular objects that looked eerily similar to modern astronomical charts. Inside the tomb were 12 perfectly spherical stones arranged in a pattern identical to the solar system. The alignment was too precise to be coincidence, leading many to question how an ancient people could have known such details about space. Some researchers now wonder if Göbekli Tepe was not a temple, but a tomb for the ones who brought knowledge to humanity. And then there was the tomb found beneath the Great Wall of China in late 2023, a discovery that baffled historians. Hidden behind a collapsed section of the wall, archaeologists found a sealed bronze door that led into a vast underground complex. Inside were thousands of clay tablets written in a lost script, along with a mural depicting what appeared to be flying craft and strange glowing beings. The structure was dated to over 3,000 years before the construction of the wall itself, suggesting an unknown civilization had once existed long before China's first emperors. What's stranger, radiation readings inside the tomb were unusually high, concentrated around a single sealed chamber that has yet to be opened. Some speculate it holds a power source or artifact not of this world, while others warn that it's better left untouched. In South America, a newly uncovered tomb in the Bolivian highlands revealed a mummy covered in woven fabric, unlike any known textile, a material that repelled moisture, resisted decay, and retained its color even after 2,000 years. Under ultraviolet light, the fabric glowed faintly, as if infused with some unknown compound. Around the mummy's neck hung a pendant made of pure obsidian, carved into the shape of an eye, a symbol found not only in Andean mythology, but also in ancient Egypt and Mesopotamia. How did the same symbol appear across continents separated by oceans and millennia? Could these shared symbols be remnants of a once-connected global civilization, a mystery uncovered too vast for our textbooks to contain? Beneath the sands of Saudi Arabia, Radar scans recently revealed another hidden chamber connected to the Nabatean tombs of Ula. But this one, unlike the rest, was never opened. When ground-penetrating sensors mapped it, they detected a metallic resonance beneath the stone floor, as if something artificial was buried within. Excavation halted after reports of strange magnetic interference that caused equipment failures and even disorientation among workers. Locals say the area has always been cursed, that strange lights appear there on moonless nights. Whether that's superstition or warning, no one can say. And perhaps the most chilling discovery came from a small archaeological team in northern Sudan, where an uncharted pyramid complex was unearthed near the Nile. The tomb within was pristine, sealed perfectly, its hieroglyphs glimmering under torchlight. But the sarcophagus inside was empty, save for a single carved message written in an ancient dialect that translates to, "We buried no body here, only the memory of one." Beneath the inscription was a small cavity containing a perfectly preserved human heart, still moist as though it had been placed there yesterday. Scientists ran every test imaginable, carbon dating, DNA sequencing, chemical analysis, yet every method failed to produce consistent results. The heart's molecular structure didn't age. It existed outside the normal decay of time. How is that possible? Could this be evidence of lost knowledge, of a civilization that understood forces beyond our comprehension? As each tomb is opened, we find more questions than answers, clues scattered across continents pointing to a forgotten age of connection and power. Ancient builders who carved stone with laser-like precision, artists who mapped the stars before telescopes existed, and tombs aligned perfectly with celestial events that wouldn't occur again for thousands of years. It is as if these civilizations were trying to leave us a message, a warning or a reminder of something humanity once knew but lost. Maybe these newly found tombs aren't just burials, but time capsules from an age when humans walked closer to the mysteries of creation itself. As the sands shift and technology digs deeper, the Earth continues to reveal what it once concealed. Chambers untouched by time, artifacts that challenge reason, and symbols that connect every corner of our world. Each discovery unearths another hidden mystery, another fragment of truth about who we are and who we might have been before history began. The tombs may be silent, but they speak in symbols, stone, and shadow, and as we continue to uncover them, we realize the greatest mystery of all. Perhaps the past isn't behind us. Perhaps it's waiting beneath our feet, patiently reminding us that some secrets were never meant to stay buried.